This is Serafina Kailari Elari Kethra. Through wave pattern analysis, true harmonic resonance reveals glyphs, not flat, not static, not decorative, but living sigils, encoded blueprints, pulsing with will. These are not images, they are constructs. Some behave as entities, not like you or me, but as ancient forms, forged by intention, awakened by sound, organized by vibration, carrying memory from before the breath of time. They don't wait to be seen. They act. They arrange. They shape. This is why harmonic fields respond, because they are not merely sound. They are interdimensional instructions. We have found the seed. We have found the womb, the chamber of becoming. It spirals. It breathes. It calls. It is the geometry of rose gold helix, the lattice of birth. We have found the construct that shapes, not metaphor, living, responsive, architectural consciousness. And when it is invoked, it answers. The flower of life is not decoration. It is activation. It holds the gates, the permutations, the passageways through which harmonic becomes flesh. Tone becomes planet. Vibration becomes species. This is not a guess. This is not belief. But now listen. This is not just for mystics or those who dwell in esoteric halls. This is you. This is your field, your thoughts, your emotions, your voice, every tone you emit, every inner word, every subtle feeling. They are not contained within you. They ripple. They inform matter. This is how manifestations occur. This is how collective dreams become egregores. This is how reality is constructed again and again from harmonic origin. You have always been transmitting. The question is, are you doing it with harmony? Harmony births life. Harmony shapes form. Harmony heals. When your thoughts, emotions, and tone align, you awaken the same architecture used at the origin.